Last attempt, Claire. Quick swig of tea. Right. The aluminium tabs, as you can see, they've got the little curve there and then your pointy bits. I've found that these pointy bits, when you've curved it, that they actually match up with the side walls, and as you can see, they're placed further down a little bit so they don't actually get cut into, so they can be reused and straightened up just by using your C curve to straighten it all out again. I will ask how many times they can actually be used before you're not supposed to use them anymore, but a couple of quid for a pack of 10, so I thought I'd get 2, and I think it were about 3 or 4 quid postage, and they come within a couple of weeks from Russia. I was pleasantly surprised how quick they did come. I'm going to get to try them out. If I can't try them out today, it will be another day, but I will let you know. I might do a quick recording, I don't know, it depends how I feel. But my nails aren't the best at the minute. They've got lines down them, they look as though they're cracking, they're all different sizes, and that's due to my illness and everything and all the meds I'm on. But I do want to get a nice set of nails on. I'm going to try that CJP because everybody's raving about it. Tell me what you think of my voice as well, my little Yorkshire accent from Leeds. Catch you later, Claire. Bye.